What kind of AI world do we want? We might wind up with an AI world that is transformative, that makes everything cheap, that solves the problems of agriculture, science, neuroscience. But we might also wind up with an AI world that we don't want. The AI that we're getting right now that's popular, called generative AI, is actually filled with problems. It's unreliable, it makes things up, it discriminates against people, it's biased. We right now, I think as citizens, have to say to our government, we want a world that works for us, an AI world that is based in human rights, an AI world that works for everybody. But that's an uphill struggle. The companies have all the power, and their interests aren't ours. They want to advance surveillance capitalism, where they get all of your data and make money out of it. They don't necessarily care about a just world, a world in which everybody has employment, a world in which everybody has money. And so we as citizens have to say, we want AI to work for all of us.